Hi there, let's talk about the harmonic sequence and Fibonacci sequence. Let's begin with the harmonic sequence. The formula for harmonic sequence or finding the nth term of harmonic sequence is given by a sub n, which is equal to 1 all over a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So if you can recall the formula for the arithmetic sequence, it has a relationship between the harmonic sequence, no? The formula or the harmonic sequence is just the reciprocal of your arithmetic sequence. So for example, you have here the arithmetic sequence that's 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. This will give you your harmonic sequence. So again, harmonic sequence is just the reciprocal of arithmetic sequence. If this is your arithmetic sequence, then harmonic sequence will be 1/2, 1/4, 1 over 6, and 1 over 8, as well as 1 over 10. So simple as that. Again, the main thought in here is harmonic sequence is just the reciprocal of arithmetic sequence. Now, let's go to the Fibonacci sequence. The formula for the Fibonacci sequence or finding the nth term of the Fibonacci sequence is given by f sub n that's equal to f sub n minus 1 plus f sub n minus 2 and so on. So take note that one of the properties of the Fibonacci sequence is its first and second term is equal to 1. So that's constant. The first term of the Fibonacci sequence, okay, the first term of the Fibonacci sequence and the second term of the Fibonacci sequence is equal to 1. This leads you to the first two term of the sequence is 1 and 1. Okay? Now, let's look for, let's say, the f sub 3 or the third term and the fourth term of the Fibonacci sequence. So we have here f sub n will be replaced by f sub 3 since we are looking for the third term. Now we have here f sub 3 minus 1 plus f sub 3 minus 2. So we have here f sub 3 minus 1, that is 2, plus f sub 3 minus 2, that is 1. So let's substitute. Our f sub 2 is equal to 1. Our f sub 1, that's also equal to 1. So this gives us the value of our third term is equal to 2. Now we have our third term for the Fibonacci sequence. Now let's look for the fourth term of this sequence. S sub 4 is equal to f sub 4 minus 1, all right, plus f sub 4 minus 2. So let's continue. We have here f sub 4 minus 1, that's f sub 3, plus f sub 4 minus 2, that is f sub 2. Since 4 minus 2, that is 2. Now let's substitute. The value of our f sub 3 is 2, and the value of our f sub 2 is 1. So let's add this one. We have here 3. This gives us the value of our f sub 4 for the Fibonacci sequence is equal to 3. And that's the definition of a Fibonacci sequence. The first two terms of the Fibonacci sequence is 1 and 1, and the next coming terms are taken by adding the first two consecutive terms. So we have 1 plus 1, that's 2. 1 plus 2, that's 3. 2 plus 3, that is 5. 3 plus 5, that is 8. 8 plus 5, that is 13, and so on. Alright, so that would be all for this video. I hope that you have learned something, and if you do have questions or any suggestions, feel free to comment down below. Bye bye!